Reactor online. Sensors online. Weapons online. All systems nominal.
Engaged. Tank strike protocol active. Target engaged. Target engaged. Target engaged. Enemy mech destroyed.
They're doing a base rush.
Target
We need to rush
engaged.
back then.
Alright, let's all push right through Charlie
Enemy
4
mech
into Bravo 4.
detected.
Just fuck that noise.
Fight in the square, move all the way into the square.
Target
We need a light mech or
engaged.
someone to run in there and get on top of it if they get close to capture.
I think our whole
Target
team's fucking
engaged.
at our base right now.
It is, just start moving.
Target engaged.
Focus Juliet.
Target engaged.
Or one of those LRM boats, one or the other, it doesn't matter.
Target engaged.
Go, let's not trade with them, man. We're gonna trade and lose. They're standing in the base. Gotta go in the square. Going in, make it worth it.
Target engaged.
Dropping already on it. Dropping an army.
Get in there on top of me. I'm dead.
Wow, lots of heavies.
Tank strike protocol active.
Need a little help. I'm down.
Rush them, guys. Rush them. Not enough people in the square, man.
I can't do
Only
this.
one. You only need one in the square. Nice kill.
Engaged.
Wow. Kilos, you are a bomb. Jesus. All that fucking shotgun.
I agree with you. Better than the Lander.
Target engaged. Critical hit. Left
Somebody
torso.
get in there and back that guy up.
Get that goddamn LRM boat. God damn it.
Okay, I gotta meet you now.
Nice job. Nice clutch.
Not sure how you guys pulled that off.
Nice job, guys.